This video shows you how to clean the PIC tires of your printer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Remove the tray. To avoid contamination, make sure that your hands are clean. Remove the PIC tires. Apply isopropyl alcohol to a soft, lint-free cloth, and then wipe the PIC tires. Insert the PIC tires. Make sure that the edges of the PIC tire treads are facing downward. Insert the tray. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.